Okay, so this is a traffic light LED module. This is what goes in the traffic light and shows the indication. This is a yellow one. So, I have some screwdrivers here. We're gonna open this up. This isn't working. So, this is the outer lens. You can see it has a texture underneath of it. And then underneath this lens, there is a Fresnel lens. At least that's what it's called. I think that's what it's called. And it basically magnifies the LED light. So, okay, I have ear protection on because this is very loud. So let's try to break through this Fresnel lens. Why is this like indestructible? What about we go through this end? What? What is up with this? Why is this so strong? Well, there's another way to do it, so... So here is the LED, and it has this metal thing around it, which I think is like a heat sink or something. And then this is the power supply circuit board. And then that lights up yellow and it goes through the Fresnel lens, which is actually deformed now, but it didn't break. I have ear protection on. This thing is so... What is this made of? It's made out of plastic. Okay, we've destroyed the entire housing, and this stupid lens is still intact. What? This is ridiculous. I don't know what that's made out of, but I think they should just use this material for everything. Again, it's plastic, and they pretty much do use it for everything. I've hit it. It's like... This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. I have completely obliterated this thing into a million pieces, and this lens is still intact. This is ridiculous. If the hammer can't do it, I'm sure your foot can either. god. So this is basically just what's inside of a LED module. We have completely... I could have blew this up with dynamite, and the only thing that would be left is this lens. What is this? It's gotta be plastic, but look at that. That's oh, this broke. This is insane. That's just the guts of it, basically. You can see I actually cut the wires off. Okay, I have another one. This one doesn't have wires either. And it's a piece of crap. So guess what? Ear protection. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Yep. Same thing. Wow. There's the LED. There's the lenses. There's the indestructible lens, which magnifies stuff. Here's the outer lens and its completely intact self. Here's the LED and its metal part. The power supply has been launched somewhere in the room. Oh, there it is. Nope, that's the one from that one. So I need to clean this up. There are screwdrivers everywhere. Oh, man. So now I gotta clean this up. Let's hit this one time really hard. Yeah, that's indestructible. Well, there's our entertaining video for you. I need to clean this up. There are pieces everywhere. I can't believe how strong these are. It will not break. It won't. I could probably shoot this with a gun and it would just put a hole in it. And it would not crack at all. Okay, let me clean this up. This is a bonus.